Greetings to all. Today's our topic is firefighting. Fire is an integral part of our daily lives. But uncontrolled fire can cause loss of life and property. Every city has a fire station equipped with firefighting equipment. You may have seen that water is normally used to extinguish fire. However, water does not extinguish all kinds of fires. In the previous section, we have learnt that there are three essential conditions for combustion. So, if one or more of these conditions are not fulfilled, the fire will be extinguished. Therefore, fire can be controlled by applying different methods. First, by removing the combustible substances. The combustible substances act like fuel in case of fire. All combustible substances should be removed to stop the fire from spreading. However, this is not possible in case of a building on fire, as the entire building is the combustible substance. Second, by cooling the substance to below its ignition temperature. This is normally done with the help of water. When water is sprayed over a burning object, it helps to extinguish fire in two ways. First, it brings the temperature of the combustible material below its ignition temperature. As a result, the fire gets extinguished. Second, the water vapor formed due to the heat of fire cuts the supply of the air. Due to the absence of air, the fire gets extinguished. However, water should never be used for extinguishing oil fires. This is because oil is lighter than water. Oil forms a thin layer over the surface of water and flows with the water, thereby spreading fire to larger areas. Even fire in electrical equipments cannot be controlled with water as water conducts electricity. Hence, the person trying to extinguish the fire can get an electric shock. Now, third method, by cutting off the supply of air. This can be done with the help of carbon dioxide gas. For fires caused by burning of inflammable liquids like petrol or oil, carbon dioxide is the best fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide, being heavier than oxygen, covers the combustible substance like a blanket. As the contact between the fuel and the oxygen is cut off, the fire is controlled. It is also used to control fire caused by short circuiting, as it does not harm the electrical equipments and does not conduct electricity. Carbon dioxide is stored in liquid form at high pressure in cylinders. When released at the site of fire, it comes out in vapor form, expands in volume and cools down. Therefore, it not only cuts off the oxygen supply around the fire but also brings down the temperature.